student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. In this video, we will discuss about quantum numbers and its type. Quantum number. What is quantum number? Those numbers which give complete information about electron regarding principal energy level, sub-energy level, orientation of orbitals, spin of electrons is called quantum number. What is quantum number? Those numbers which give complete information about electron regarding principal energy level, sub-energy level, orientation of orbital, spin of electron are called quantum numbers. So look here, quantum number. What is quantum number? First topic is what is quantum number? Those numbers those numbers which give complete information which give complete information about electron regarding principal energy level, sub energy level, orientation of orbitals, spin of electrons are called quantum numbers. Question is what is quantum number? Those numbers which give complete information about electron regarding principal energy level, sub energy level, orientation of orbitals and spin of electrons are called quantum numbers. The quantum numbers are of four types. Number one, principal quantum number. Number two, azimuthal quantum number. Number three, magnetic quantum number. Number four, spin quantum number. We will discuss about all quantum number one by one. Look here in this way. Quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are of four types. Quantum numbers are of four types. Number one is principal quantum number. Number one is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. Number two, azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. Number three, magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum numbers. Number four, spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. Now, what is magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, principal quantum number? We will discuss about these quantum numbers one by one. First is principal quantum number. This quantum number describe the principal energy level or cell of an electron in an atom. So, principal quantum number. it describe principal energy level. Principal energy level or cell of electron in an atom. Principal quantum number describe principal energy level or cell of an electron in an atom. Principal quantum number is denoted by, it is denoted by small n. Principal quantum number denoted by small n. After this, it describes the size of orbit. It also describe the size of orbit. After this, the possible values of principal quantum numbers are n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash. After this, the maximum number of electron in a given principal quantum number is 2n square. Maximum number of electron in a given principal quantum number is 2n square. Student, I am telling you about principal quantum number last time. Principal quantum number, it describe principal energy level or cell of electron in an atom. Second, principal quantum number is denoted by n. Principal quantum number also describe the size of orbit. Its possible values are n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash. The maximum number of electrons in a given principal quantum number is 2n square. 2n square. Second is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. So azimuthal quantum number, it describes the sub-energy level. It describes the sub-energy level of electron. Azimuthal quantum number. It describes the sub-energy level. Sub-energy level of electron in an atom. It is denoted by L. It is denoted by L. After this, it also describe the shape of subcell. It also describe the shape of subcell. Subcells are Sallu, Pagi, Dila, Feco. Trick to learn subcell is S Sallu, Pagi, Dila, Feco, means SPDF. After this, the value of azimuthal quantum number L depend on principal quantum number n. Principal quantum number n. Its value depends on n. Its value depends on n. Okay. After this, for the given value of n, for n, the value of L are L is equal to 0 to n minus 1. L is equal to 0 to n minus 1. Now we put here n is equal to 1. When we put here n is equal to 1, we get L is equal to 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we put here n is equal to 2. When we put here n is equal to 2, we will get L is equal to 0 to 2 minus 1. means finally we get 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 0 comma 1. Now we put here n is equal to 3. When we put here n is equal to 3, we will get L is equal to 0, 2, 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So values are 0, 1, 2. Okay students, I am telling you last time about azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number describe sub-energy level of electron in an atom. It is denoted by L. It also describes the shape of subcell. Subcell are SPDF, Trictulant subcell is Sallu-Paji Dilla Feco. SPDF. Full form of SPDF is S for sharp, P for principal, D for diffused, F for fundamental. After this, azimuthal quantum number L. Its value depend on azimuthal quantum number. The value of azimuthal quantum number L depend on principal quantum number n. So we can say its value means azimuthal quantum number value depends on n. For n, the value of L are L is equal to 0 to n minus 1. If n is equal to 1, put here 1, we get L is equal to 0. If n is equal to 2, put here 2, we get L is equal to 0 to 2 minus 1 is equal to 0 to 1. Now n is equal to 3, put here 3, we get L is equal to 0 to 3 minus 1. L is equal to 0 to 3 minus 1, we get 3 minus 1, 2, means 0 to 2, means 0, 1, 2. Okay student, this is the azimuthal quantum number. Now we will discuss about magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number determines the number of orbitals in a subcell. Magnetic quantum number. It determines number of orbital in a subcell. It determines number of orbitals in a subcell. It determines the number of orbitals in a subcell. It describes the behavior of electron. It describes behavior of electron. It describes the behavior. It describes the behavior of electron, nature of electron, behavior of electron or nature of electron. Next point, magnetic quantum number is denoted by, it is denoted by M. After this, the value of magnetic quantum number depend on azimuthal quantum number L. So we can say magnetic quantum number depend on azimuthal quantum number L. Its value depends on L. For L, the value of M are M is equal to minus L to plus L. M is equal to minus L to plus L. Now if L is equal to 1, put here 1. M is equal to minus L to plus L with 0. With 0. Okay students. So put here if L is equal to 1. If L is equal to 1, put here 1, we get M is equal to minus 1, 2, plus 1 with 0. Means we can take right here 0. After this, so M is equal to, we get minus 1, 0, plus 1. Okay students. Now if L is equal to 2, put here 2, we get M is equal to, put here 2, we get minus 2 to plus 2 with 0. Means we get minus 2 to plus 2, means minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Okay students, I am telling you about magnetic quantum number last time. Magnetic quantum number, it determines the number of orbitals in a subcell. It describes the behavior of electron. Magnetic quantum number is denoted by m. Value of magnetic quantum number m depend on azimuthal quantum number L. So we can say its value depend on L. For L, the value of magnetic quantum number m are m is equal to minus L2 plus L with 0. If L is equal to 1, m is equal to, put here 1, we get minus 1 2 plus 1 with 0, means minus 1 0 plus 1. If L is equal to 2, put here L is equal to 2, we get m is equal to minus 2 2 plus 2 with 0, means minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2. Next and last is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number, it describes the spin of electrons. Spin quantum number, it describes the spin of electrons. Spin of electrons, it is denoted by S. It is denoted by S. Spin of electron may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Spin of electrons may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. After this, spin quantum number. I am telling you again about spin quantum number. Spin quantum number describes the spin of electrons. It describes the spin of electrons. It is denoted by S. Spin of electrons may be clockwise, clock or anti-clockwise. Okay, for a given value of m. For a given value of m. For m, this is magnetic quantum number m. So for m, the value of SR. The value of SR for first electron plus half or minus half. Now question is, now students, I am telling you numericals related to this quantum number. Question is, find the value of all quantum number for the last electron of sodium. So look here. Question is, find the value of all quantum number for the last electron of sodium. This is sodium. Sodium, atomic number of sodium is This is sodium. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Question is, find the value of all quantum number for the last electron of sodium. So look here, this is sodium. Electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1 according to Aufbau rule. If you don't know Aufbau rule, then you have to prepare Aufbau rule. Okay. So look here, this is the last electron. Last electron present in this cell, 3s1. This is principal quantum number n. N is equal to 3. Remember students, this is principal quantum number n. N is equal to 3. After this L is equal to, you have to learn if the value of L is 0. I am telling you here, the value of L is 0, 1, 2, 3. For S, P, D, F. So student, learn it. For S subcell, L is equal to 0. For P subcell, L is equal to 1. For D subcell, L is equal to 2. For F subcell, L is equal to 3. So here is given S. For S subcell, L is 0. So L is 0. And I have told you that value of m is equal to minus L2 plus L. So we can say m is equal to also 0, because formula of m is equal to minus L2 plus L with 0. L is equal to 0. Put here L is equal to 0. We get finally m is equal to 0. Okay student, this is m is equal to 0. Now after this, next point is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number is denoted by S. So spin quantum number S is equal to plus half. Student, I am telling you again, question is calculate the value of all quantum number for the last electron of sodium. This is sodium. Electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. If you don't know electronic configuration, then see Aufbau law. I have told you number of times Aufbau law. Last electron present in 3s1. This is principal quantum number, n is equal to 3, and L is equal to, for L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Then SPDF. For S subcell, L is equal to 0. For P subcell, L is equal to 1. For D subcell, L is equal to 2. For F subcell, L is equal to 3. Here S subcell, so for S subcell, L is equal to 0. So we have to take here L is equal to 0. This is L, and L is equal to 0. So L is equal to 0. And formula of M is equal to minus L to plus L with 0. This is the formula of M is equal to. So put L is equal to 0 here, we get M is equal to 0. For first electron, S is equal to plus half. Student, I hope that you can understand all the points in this lecture. So like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay students?